Hello. We took a trip to Dayton Air Force Museum, and they let us go through a few of the presidential planes. This plane is one of the most famous of Air Force Ones. This did 8 presidents, but it was most famous for being the one that they took John F. Kennedy's body in when he got assassinated. This was his Air Force One that Lyndon B. Johnson also got sworn in on as well. So would you come with me as we enjoy the tour? So with every Air Force One, this was a bigger one obviously. They had planes, they had the cockpit just like the others, but this was a bigger plane, has a lot of different navigational equipment, a command center bigger than most of the other Air Force Ones. I mean, you can literally do anything from this plane. You could communicate with DC anywhere around the world. This also had a built-in kitchen, so you know, you cook your meals, you could live up here. And then it also had nice seating areas for, you know, the press or anybody that was coming along on the trip. So had some seats over for people to sit, had nice presidential office and kind of conference area for anybody that was riding with them, any aides or whatever. Had a nice, good room. Had a TV, so you could watch TV on Air Force One. And obviously a lot of seating for press and different configurations. But right here, they have a little plaque to memorize, you know. But right here was where Lyndon B. Johnson took the oath of office after Kennedy was shot in Texas. So this is kind of a nice, you know, memory-ish. So you had a desk, you had a fax machine. These seats all had telephones with it, so you could communicate. This was a very comfortable plane. And then it also had another kitchen area in the back, so they could prepare food, do dishes, and then so this is where the flight crew that made room for Kennedy's casket, and they removed a partition with, you know, the first 4 seats to get him in, and of course you got the back room lavatories. I am not going to walk backwards down the steps, but thank you for watching this video, and I hope you